We're at an extraordinary moment in the planet's history. We know between 60 and 70% of animals have been wiped out. India is truly at the extreme end of this. We're home to the best populations of tigers, elephants, bears, and a whole bunch of incredible species. I do think decisions that we make in the next 10, 20 years are going to pretty much decide what animals are going to be around for my great-grandchildren and their great-grandchildren to see. I don't think we can look at people separate from conservation. It's people's decisions, love for nature, emotional feelings, and economic support that's going to actually decide the fate of many of the world's species. So I've spent the last 25 years in this quest to understand and conserve India's wildlife and wildlands. The first 15 years were very much focused on being a good scientist, publishing impactful work, but very quickly frustration started to seep in that the science was actually not having any on-ground impact. So our mission at the Center for Wildlife Studies is to save India's wildlife and wild places, working alongside local communities. So our focus is to use science, which means doing research on tigers and elephants, doing research on human-wildlife conflict, tourism, connectivity, to design innovative conservation programs, both benefit people and wildlife, and then inspire the next generation through education and work with partners to really push forward policy. Wildlife science and conservation in India is truly remarkable because on the one hand, you're working really on the edge. There is the pressure of trying to help people, at the same time make sure species don't get wiped out. But I am very hopeful about India because of the economic boom that's generating more resources than ever before, because we have more people who care for wildlife and there are technological solutions in play. And I think this combination of all of this means that we should be bolder and more aspirational and optimistic about protecting wildlife and wild places.